This is very steep. I don't know what the angle is, but hopefully it shows up in the video. Very steep with rocks and tree roots. My heart rate normally gets up. It's about 155, but I ran out the door not expecting to do this. But I want to get out before the rain. I just got the Hero 11. So I'm just going to catch my breath.
A few moments later.
So I'm listening to Shoot the Thrill, AC/DC. It's a little more peppy song. I have the grips, REVGRIPS Pro with the white middle feature, which gives a little bit of movement, not a lot, per suggestion from them. One shifting on these. Gotta stand up as much as I can. One finger braking. And if you're new to the channel, I'm new to mountain biking. I've been a road cyclist all my life, so this is new. I choose to have the Rohloff E-14. I like my homage. I have a Riese Müller homage. Has 14 gears in the back. Don't have to worry about a chain derailleur. Trying to learn how to keep my pedals horizontal or out of the way of the rocks and the roots. Get the tires digging in, which I felt it doing it. Almost like skiing, using the edges of the tires. And hopefully, getting the tires dug in gives me grip. I won't have that on the handlebars again because it's distracting. Shoot the Thrill, AC/DC, appropriate music for this downhill. That was the fastest I've done. Thank you.